All I gotta do is give her 25 cents, and I can have Sally. Sally's all mine. I'll be sitting here thinking about my dog Sally, that my grandma said I could have. Yeah, she said I could have my dog. She said Sally's mine. All I gotta do is give her 25 cents, and Sally is all mine. Sally's my dog. Sally's going to sleep with me and my dog Amos. Amos T. Moses. The reason why his name is Amos, because he's famous. Amos, famous, Amos, famous.